Fear of the unknown. You're standing at the edge of a decision, a new job, a move, a leap into the unfamiliar. Your chest tightens, your brain whispers, don't. Even when the unknown could be good, something deep inside you resists it. That's not hesitation. That's survival software. Your ancestors didn't fear the dark because it was dark. They feared what might be hiding in it. The unknown meant predators, danger, and death. Those who hesitated lived longer. Those who didn't. Back then, every strange sound or shadow could mean life or death. The cautious ones passed on their genes, and that wiring still lives in you. Fast forward to today, and your brain still treats uncertainty like a saber-toothed tiger. New project? Unknown. Threat. Public speaking? Unknown. Threat. Changing your routine? Unknown. Threat. Your logical brain says, it's fine. Your ancient brain screams, run. You're not lazy, weak, or indecisive. You're just using 200,000-year-old fear settings on 2025 problems. The sweet tooth. That innocent-looking donut? It's your brain's favorite trap. Back in the wild, sweet meant survival. Fruit was rare, energy was scarce, and sugar meant quick fuel. So when your ancestors found something sweet, their brains lit up like a celebration. They needed every calorie to outrun predators, endure cold nights, and survive hunger seasons. Sugar was their best insurance policy. Now, that same brain wiring still fires every time you see dessert. Your brain thinks grabbing a candy bar is smart. Every sweet bite rewards you with dopamine, your brain's happy chemical, whispering, good job, we won't starve. But you're not hunting berries anymore. Your sweet tooth isn't a flaw. It's an ancient life hack that outlived its purpose. Addiction to other people's drama. You don't want to care about celebrity fights or internet meltdowns, but you still scroll, you still click, and you still feel that weird thrill watching chaos unfold. Why? Because gossip used to be a survival tool. In small tribes, knowing who cheated, lied, or betrayed someone wasn't entertainment. It was protection. That tea told you who to trust, who to avoid, who might stab you in the back, literally. In early tribes, missing that kind of social intel could get you exiled or worse, so your brain evolved to crave information about others. Now your brain treats every online argument like it's village news that could save your life. It releases dopamine for each juicy update. Your brain says, this information is critical. Reality says, it's a random stranger arguing about pineapple on pizza. The internet didn't make you addicted to drama. Evolution did. Close talk panic. You're in an elevator, and someone stands just a little too close. Not touching, but close enough to make your skin crawl. Your body tenses. Your brain activates ancient defense mode. Because in prehistoric times, someone that close wasn't chatting, they were fighting. Your personal space is a leftover safety zone, an invisible bubble that says, if you can hit me, you're too close. Closeness often meant an attack or a threat. Today, the biggest threat is someone's bad breath, but your brain still screams, danger. So you shuffle away, pretend to check your phone, or study the elevator buttons like they hold the secrets of life. You're not rude. You're just protecting your bubble, the same one that's been keeping humans alive since caves and clubs. The energy conservation instinct. You wake up motivated. Then suddenly your brain says, maybe later. That's not procrastination. It's prehistoric fuel management. Your ancestors survived by conserving energy. They didn't burn calories unless it mattered. Hunting, running, fighting, those were worth it. Cleaning your inbox or hitting the gym? Not so much. When survival depended on limited food and uncertain hunts, wasting energy could mean starvation. Your brain still measures effort the same way. Is this life or death? If not, it defaults to save mode. That's why rest feels so good and motivation feels so fragile. Your modern world runs on schedules. Your ancient hardware runs on survival. You're not lazy. You're just an efficient cave human living in a world that never stops moving. The hoarding instinct. You tell yourself you're just being prepared. Extra snacks, duplicate gadgets, 20 tabs you'll read later. But really, it's ancient code running in the background. When our ancestors found something that worked, food, tools, shelter, they didn't take one because they didn't know when they'd find it again. They took everything they could carry because scarcity was real. One missed harvest could mean death. That same instinct now makes you keep things just in case. Your closet, your hard drive, even your photo gallery. Modern caves filled with digital berries. Your brain says, if it's good, don't let it go. It's not clutter. It's comfort. It's your cave brain preparing for a famine that never comes. So when you buy 5 identical black t-shirts, it's not bad taste. It's survival, dressed in cotton. The catnap instinct. It's 2:30 p.m. You're not hungry, not sick, just drained. You call it an energy crash, but it's actually evolution asking for a pit stop. Humans weren't built for constant alertness. We evolved to move in bursts, hunt, eat, rest, repeat. That midday dip in focus isn't failure, it's your biology resetting. In hot climates where early humans evolved, resting during the midday heat wasn't optional, it was survival. Your brain runs on cycles, 90 minutes of focus, 20 minutes of recharge. Listen to it, and you recover faster than caffeine ever could. The nap urge isn't weakness, it's maintenance. Herd mentality. Ever find yourself doing something just because everyone else is doing it? Buying the same gadget, joining a viral challenge, or even just looking up at the sky because a crowd is staring. That's not stupidity. It's your caveman brain kicking in. Back then, following the group wasn't optional. It was survival. If your tribe ran from a predator, stopping to ask questions could get you eaten. In early tribal life, moving with the group kept you within the safety of numbers. The herd meant protection, warmth, and shared food. It's why today you scroll Reddit threads endlessly, join trends you don't care about, or nod along in pointless meetings. Your brain literally rewards conformity with a tiny hit of dopamine, the same chemical that kept our ancestors alive. Next time you follow the herd without thinking, remember, your brain isn't being dumb. It's just 200,000 years old. So, which of these instincts do you catch yourself doing the most? Let me know in the comments. I'll be making more videos like this. Subscribe to see them.